The laser, a creation of humankind, has profoundly impacted the world with an invisible force. The laser is also known as the fastest knife, the most accurate ruler, and the brightest light. Jinan, Acme CNC Equipment Company Limited, a relentless explorer and innovator, is delighted to witness the vibrant convergence of industries flourishing on its premises. Acme Laser, a strategic emerging technology innovation enterprise, is revolutionizing the laser cutting equipment field through its seamless integration of core technology research and development, intelligent manufacturing, and cross-border sales. Acme Laser is to create the world's top quality of laser equipment as a guide, and which is aimed at achieving high-quality development with scientific and technological innovation. Acme Laser has won many awards since its inception, has always focused on cutting-edge technology innovation and R&D, with a perfect production of self-research capabilities, with a laser tube processing equipment R&D center and many patented scientific research results. Acme Laser adheres to the special technology research, drives the continuous updating of the product iteration, the product from 1 generation to 12 generations, which tube bevel cutting technology is the first to break through the 10,000 watt barrier, the first static cutting technology, and self-developed heavy-duty full-stroke pneumatic chuck perfect combination. The development of this technology is an independent innovation, with the core quality of Acme intelligent manufacturing. Strength creates excellence and focus creates quality. Acme Laser devotes itself to the research and development innovation of each molding part product, incorporating a professional and dedicated craftsmanship spirit into every detail. It has PLM, ERP, MES production management, 5G visualized factory, and other digital production line operation and maintenance systems. Acme Laser ensures independent research and development, lean production to meet the diversified and personalized product needs of all customers. Acme Laser empowers high-quality development through independent industrial innovation and has achieved leapfrog growth for 7 consecutive years. The marketing network and service system covers more than 100 countries and regions worldwide. The core products are widely used in construction steel structure, aerospace, photovoltaic support, rail transport, fitness equipment, agricultural machinery, and other fields. Acme Laser, providing customers around the world with intelligent integrated solutions for laser processing, building a leading global laser equipment enterprise.